Good morning. This is All India Radio Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yantan. Scrutiny for by-elections to Pungro Gifre and Southern Angami 1 Assembly constituencies was conducted yesterday by returning officers of respective constituencies. Nagaland Chief Election Officer CEO Abhijit Sinha informed that reports of the scrutiny was received from returning officers and sent to the Election Commissioner yesterday. Sinha said further action will be taken after receiving direction from the EC. Scrutiny was done in the presence of observers, candidates and election agents. Sinha said the EC's direction in regard to repolling at one polling station under Pungro Gifre constituency is also awaited. The CEO said counting of votes will begin at 8 a.m. on 10th November. He said that a result could be expected to be announced on the same day. Ministry of Information and Broadcasting has constituted a committee to review guidelines on television rating agencies in India. Prasar Bharati CEO Shashi Shekhar Vempati will be the chairman of the committee. In a note, the ministry said the present guidelines on television rating agencies in India were notified after detailed deliberations by the Parliamentary Committee on Television Rating Points constituted by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and recommendations from Telecom Regulatory Authority. The members of the committee are Dr. Shalap, Professor of Statistics in Department of Mathematics and Statistics in IIT Kanpur, Dr. Rajkumar Opathai, Executive Director of C.DOT, and Professor Pulak Ghosh of Decision Sciences Center for Public Policy. President Ramnath Kovind has promulgated the Arbitration and Conciliation Amendment Ordinance 2020 to further amend Arbitration and Conciliation Act 1996. The ordinance aims to ensure that all the stakeholders get an opportunity to seek unconditional stay of enforcement of arbitral awards where the underlying arbitration agreement or contract or making of the arbitral award are induced by fraud or corruption. The 14th edition of Central Teacher Eligibility Test (CTET) will be held on 31st January 2021. Earlier, the CTET examination was scheduled to be held on 5th of July this year in 112 cities all over the country but was postponed due to administrative reasons. The Central Board of Secondary Education (CBSE) in a statement said that to maintain social distancing and other safety measures, the examination will now be conducted in 135 cities. A list of cities is also available on CTET website www.ctet.nic.in. Keeping in view the difficulty faced by candidates due to COVID-19, the board decided to give one-time chance to the candidates for corrections in their option of city from which they want to appear in the CTET examination. The candidates who wish to change their examination city can make online corrections from 7th of November to 16th of November till 12 p.m. Housing and Urban Affairs Minister Hardeep Singh Puri launched Nurturing Neighborhoods Challenge focusing on shaping cities for young children and their families. The challenge is conducted with the support of the Bernard Van Leer Foundation, Netherlands, with technical support from WRI India. The challenge will be open to all smart cities, other cities with more than 5 lakh population, and capitals of states and union territories. Speaking on the occasion, Puri said, the urban environment shapes a young child's health and development, particularly in the crucial and vulnerable first 5 years of life. Enhanced Binaga rocket, developed by Defense Research and Development Organization DRDO, was successfully flight tested from Integrated Test Range Chandipur off the coast of Odisha yesterday. Development of enhanced Binaga system was taken up to achieve longer range performance compared to earlier design with reduced length. A total of 6 rockets were launched in quick succession and the test met complete mission objectives. Enhanced version of the Binaga rocket would replace the existing Binaga Mk-1 rockets, which are currently under production. And as the nation fights COVID-19 pandemic, let us all remember to stay safe and protected by following these 3 simple steps. Wear a face mask, wash hands frequently with soap and water, or use hand sanitizer and follow social distancing. With that, we come to the end of the morning news. Have a nice day.